Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm stoked you're here. Today is going to be a little unboxing slash scale swap slash I think full disassembly to get to the scale swap slash struggle bus. So before we get into it, not knowing how long it's going to be, I want to take a quick second and say thank you to all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more than you know. And thank you to all the subscribers and anybody who just comes in and watches my knife EDC disassembly struggle content. I really appreciate it. If you haven't had a chance yet and you are so inclined, if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it would really help me out. So today we've got a shipment that I ordered back in January from Null Knives, and no fault of theirs, we have had a terrible time with the USPS, and one set got lost. We tracked them up to a certain spot and they didn't go any further. And then this set got clogged up, but their customer service is awesome. They got these moving again, and you know, when the others, if the others ever get spit out of the other location, I will send them back to them. So these are some Voodoo scales. This is the Voodoo, the Null Knives Voodoo. That's what I unboxed with on this particular one. There's a sticker, Null Knives. And then these are the scales. Check these out. So that one would be easy to swap out. This one, however, we have to get under that clip. So instead of me whining about it, we're just going to see what happens, because my thoughts tell me I can get the pivot out here, which I'll have to go all the way through, but I can't get to the clip until I get all right. So I'm going to probably have to take this pivot out. Let's see. There we go. All right. So now this is probably going to be a T6, and it is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this scale, set it over here, take my pivot, and let's get our T6 bit, pop it in here. One little screw, two little screw, apart we go. We've got skiffs in here, so here's where our clip comes off. So what we are going to do, take our clip off. Once we do that, we can swap our scale. Whoops. Surprised I got that out. I used the T8 or the T6 to get that clip off. Is that a T6? It dang sure is. The clip's a T6. Interesting. That's good. I would have probably torn it up. These just take a couple little spins because they're so thin. All right. So what I'm going to do is lay that right there. Pop that right there. Pop that right there. Boom. Boom. And then what we'll do is we'll put our clip back on, because we have to do it from the inside with our T6, because that's right, that's why it was done from the inside. Duh. Alright, so we are going to drop our screw through. We're going to see the best way to do this. Probably going to be to set that in there. Like so. There we go. Alright, so we've got our clip in, got our bearings in, got our... Alright, so I see the captive pivot on that side, meaning the pivot has to go through this side. This side right here. That is going to be all the way through, and then it's going to flatten off like that, like so. Alright, so what I'm going to do is attempt to get this bitch back together. This very much has all the makings of a potential struggle bus, because I did not, hold on. Okay, so I've got, didn't take anything off there. Get that flat. Put that right there. Our stop pin. See if we can't get this bad boy to snap together. There we go. Alright guys, so let's take this. Let's switch our T6 to a T8. Just to hold that together. And then we'll take our T6. And we're going to put these screws back in our back spacer. And we're going to put this screw back in. What a beautiful knife. Cinch that up. Alright, now we're going to take our other jungle carbon fiber, get our T8, Bada bing, bada boom. Pop our body screw in. Again, it only takes a couple of turns. It's a little shorty. Bada boom. Cinched up nicely. Cinched up nicely. Dead nuts. No side to side. Let's see. Lord Needham, it looks pretty dead nuts to me, brother. Guys, that is the Null Knives Voodoo scale swap. So you do have to kind of go about it a different way to get through that, to get to that clip. But just start on the side, your show side, work through. T8, T6 are all you need. I use my good screw driver. I love these drivers. They are very economical as far as bougie titanium drivers go. And then I use Weehaw bits because they just seem to work well for me. And yeah, guys, I appreciate it. I'm glad this didn't turn out to be more brutal than I thought it would. I think it looks awesome. I'll keep these scales so I can always go back to my black if I want to. But guys, I appreciate you watching. I always appreciate you guys hanging out with me. And all I ask is please, please, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out to each other, for each other, and go forward with love in your heart. And please, choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.